Another desperate coronavirus milestone has been passed in India, where case numbers are still rocketing upwards. They've passed the 3 million mark only 16 days after passing 2 million, adding that extra million faster than in either Brazil or the United States, the only other countries with that many cases. The number of dead in India has reached 57,500. In its rural heartlands of the country, the spread of the virus has reached the most dangerous phase. In places like Bihar state, where healthcare is remote and floods are making everything even worse.
This year, nature has made India's poorest state especially inhospitable, even in hospital. In some of Bihar's rural areas, doctors and nurses are wading in the wards. They slosh through yet another layer of misery that threatens to carry with it waterborne illnesses to compete with the airborne scourge that is coronavirus. Only a quarter of the people who live in Bihar's hinterland have access to health services at the best of times. These are the worst of times.
कितना पानी लगा है? क्या दिक्कत हो रहा है? वार्ड में घुसा हुआ है।
8 million people across the state have been hit by the floods and forced onto higher ground, where they've been marooned for a month.
तो लॉकडाउन है, लॉकडाउन में जो है से कुछ कर नहीं पाए, यही समस्या है। बाहर आ जाने के बाद वो जहाँ सामान रहा वही में रह गया, अपना जान बचा करके भागा आदमी सब।
Because most suspected corona patients can't get to hospital, the hospitals are trying to get to them in the form of ambulance boats. Some are equipped to carry out testing. In its absence, keeping track of the spread of the virus has been impossible.
Normal boat वाले हैं, वो पेशेंट को ले जाना नहीं चाहते। कोरोना पॉजिटिव केसेस को वो छूना भी नहीं चाह रहे थे और ना ही ले जाना चाहते। जिस वजह से हम लोगों ने अपने सीनियर को, अपने सिविल सर्जन को ये सूचना दिया कि ये प्रॉब्लम यहाँ हो रही है, कि कुछ भी पेशेंट को हो सकता है।
Kiran Prabha lost her husband because, suspected of having corona, doctors wouldn't admit him to hospital or even attend to him because they didn't have protective gear for themselves.
अपने लोग भी, जो मेरे अपने खास लोग हैं अगल बगल, खैर हम नाम नहीं कहेंगे उनका, मगर जो लोग मेरे साथ किए हैं वो हमको बहुत याद रहेगा, जिंदगी भर याद रहेगा।
Rural India is home to 600 million people, and right now they look all too vulnerable. Decades of neglect have left village clinics and hospitals in a dreadful state, and the help that has been sent looks like a drop in the ocean. John Irvine, News at 10.